Okay.
Hi, this is Tiger from RobotDigg. Here, our desktop filament extrusion line and pelletizing line, and also a new item that we're trying to convert this to be an injection. So this is a vertical injection. Okay, so you will have your own mold. We do not provide mold, but you will have your own mold here, so you can use this as an injector. Okay, so that way, now we have a lot of mixing unit for small batch mixing of color master batch with plastics or other plastic with plastics. Here also you can find the ST25, ST35 extruder, and also the tractor for the pelletizing production line. Okay. This extruder is not only for filament, but also can be used for tubing and also for the injector. And now we have a new plan that you can see that there is a XYZ. We are trying to convert this to be a 3D printer. Okay, so you can have a lot of ideas. You can bring to practice. So these two are the twin screw extruder, desktop twin screw extruder. We are trying to launch, but ever before we have a twin screw extruder. We found that there is a problem after a time of working because the twin screw will quarrel each other. I mean, battle with each other and broke at last. But now we are trying to improve this. So here is the two unit. We are going to make some improvement. Okay, thanks for watching. And please subscribe to RobotDigg. Thank you.